Hi everyone, in this video is gonna be our beginner overview of basic controls of a skid steer loader. We are using ZOOMLION ZS080V today. It looks really smart and flexible. It can work in narrow space, which replaces manual handling, slack cleaning, crashing, and so on. It saves labor costs, reduces safety risks, and ensures the progress of the construction period. Also, it can equip with more than 200 of functional jewelry. Now I'm going to try it. Come with me. Okay, after you're in, sit back first. Can't stress how important it is. So with these skid steers generally, you have locker safety bar. There are either two flaps on some the bigger ones, or these are just, it almost look like a roller coaster. So if I turn this key and just hold that, it's going to start. And then you can see my indicators up there. I'm making sure that if I had any system issues, and I'm going to see it up there. Okay, when I step on these two pedals, and where your right is your bucket, this is the bucket, and your left is for your lift up, and also this is the throttle. When I use this throttle, you can actually make it accelerator, which is kind of cool, and this can control the speed. And when I hit that, you hear the engine go up. Yeah, this is the engine sound, and you can hear it. The left is your lift up. If I step this pedal right now, it's gonna raise the lift arm up. Okay, and it go about halfway up here. If I step right pedal, this is the bucket pedal. It's going to open the bucket. You see, the bucket will open. Yeah. And when I step this left pedal, I'll put the lift arm down. Everyone, so that was our beginner basic controls overview of a skid steer. Hope you guys enjoyed.